Hi guys! Gusto mo mag-
Hi guys!
Guys, para makasave yung plate, eh mo ni.
Siksikan!
Siksikan kami dito sa Sardinas.
Sardinas here.
555.
Hindi magtuwas na pulpi, oh.
Bugat ka
Ako
din.
na sa likod, sa likod, oh. Guys, we just left Baker's Hill and right now we are here at Crocodile Farm. The entrance here is for adults. It's 40 pesos. It's 30 pesos, 4 to 12, 20, 1 to 3, free of charge lang.
Leather balls, screws, and other products. Yun po yung balat ng crocodile na nag-edad na 3 to 5 years old lang. Yan ito.
Yesterday guys, we joined their tour but I didn't pay like the 40 pesos entrance fee, so right now I just paid and I'm going on tour with these guys.
Last t-shirt ko na yun, nung nahuli ko siya ng August 4, 1990. Almost 28 years.
Right now guys, we're headed to the gift shop to buy some stuff because it's a lot cheaper. I noticed that it's a lot more cheaper here in Crocodile Farm compared to other resort like the Baywalk. Last night I tried to buy some souvenir but it was really expensive. It's a very like the price difference is really very big. Guys, yesterday I visited here. I was really sweaty and now I'm here again at Crocodile Farm. I'm sweaty. I'm so sweaty again. Oh my goodness. I wasted this past 3 days. I think 3 or 2 days. I've been wasting clothes. I've been changing my clothes for like 3 times a day and I'm still sweaty. Okay, it's really hot here in Puerto Princesa. If you're ever here, you should bring a small fan. Ano yung bakal mo?
Ref magnet.
Right. Kaya Raj, ano yung bakal mo?
T-shirt.
T-shirt. Ikaw ay pastor? Ano yung bakal mo?
Papa kay Biboy.
Wallet. Para kay sino na baklon mo?
Kay Dodo.
Todo.
Bata ko.
Ala, pili na ma'am.
Bibili or not?
Ikaw ma'am, ano na bakal mo?
Lang t-shirt for Angela.
Kay ano yan?
Wallet. Ah,
Kay
Kalo.
Angelica.
Ito, pouch po.
Kay mami mo.
Pouch din kay Papa Kalo.
We are leaving Crocodile Farm and we're going back to Santa Monica Elementary School.
Basta na
Ako muna.
Yang si Manang ano?
Same. Ay,
Ay, kasama ka.
Awaling realidad para makasabay kami sa PT na sabak. Okay. Yun ang bag.
ay ikaw na boy.
Ila nagtutok. Hindi na agad. Huli ganda ka. Oh.
Tinggaan niya ko t-shirt.
Si PT ko di kay daw. Alang git. Up. Hindi one. Sorry gida. So, di na agad.
Ginong.
Ano pwede rin matukuran.
Lagin sa hotel.
Guys, right now I'm here at the local grocery store near the Santa Monica Elementary School. Sa mga pangitan na kami balaklon. Kung ano pwede nyo bakal. Na aling kami sa Crocodile Farm. Pero tikikinit sa gwa. Kag kanami sa aircon din sulod. Raj? Guys, my friends are eating lunch right now at the local carinderia, and I'm headed back to the classroom because I have some food that my sister gave me before I left Bacolod. Oh, it's really hot outside. And then I'm just gonna eat and maybe take a bath. Grabe. So, amo ni yung Santa Monica Elementary School. Dili na held ang CBYFP na camp. Grabe. So, dear guy, mga launa, ma-start na program. Kaya muna, ito kilagulagaw kami.